Hi everybody, I am Shanna, your photo book master, and today I'm going to talk to you about sharing photos between two iPhones using Airdrop. So what is Airdrop? Airdrop is a feature on Apple devices that allows you to safely, securely, and quickly share photos and videos, and also share them in high resolution and with all the metadata that goes along with them. Now, we all know there are so many ways to share photos and videos through our phones. We send them via text message, maybe email, WhatsApp, Snapchat. There are so many different ways that we can send photos and videos. What I would like you to keep in mind is most of those messaging apps take your photo, shrink it way down, they get rid of all kinds of information they don't need, and they send it off. Their main goal is to transfer information quickly. When they do that, when they take your photo and they discard all this extra information so that they have this nice little image to send on your little screen, you can't get that information back again. When the person receiving the photo opens it on their screen, it's going to look great. It'll be fantastic. It'll be everything that they need to enjoy that photo. If that's all you're doing with that photo, then great. Send it off, share a memory, no problem. But if you are sharing photos with somebody, or you would like to receive photos from somebody that you maybe want to use in a photo book, or you want to print some off, or you want to keep them long term, they're special photos, then you want to make sure you send them and receive them in high resolution form. You also want to be sure that you're receiving all the metadata, or sending all the metadata that goes with that photo. Information such as date and location. We're going to look now at my phone, and I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you make this happen. To be sure that Airdrop is turned on your phone, and you need to have it turned on both phones, the one sending the photos and also the one receiving the photos. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Settings, and now this is what the screen will open to on Settings. Just scroll down slightly until you see General. Click on General, and now a few lines down you're going to see Airdrop. So we'll click on Airdrop. Now you have the option, you can leave it on Receiving Off, which means that nobody can send anything through to your phone. You can leave it on Contacts Only, so you'll be able to send and receive to anybody who has a contact set up on your phone, or everyone for 10 minutes. It's up to you how you want to leave this sitting. Generally, mine's sitting at Receiving Off until I want to use it, or Contacts Only. Really, either one is fine for me. In this case, we'll leave it at Contacts. We'll go out of here. And now let's try actually sending a photo. We're going to click on our photo app. I'll go into my recents, and I'll choose this photo, which was taken of my mom a few days ago when she turned 89. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see the send button, the little square with the arrow. I'll click on that, and it's going to bring up a few options. So this Airdrop sign that you see there, the concentric circles in blue, if I click on the Airdrop button itself, it's going to list everybody nearby who has Airdrop turned on. So if you're in a group setting and you're trying to send a photo or a group of photos to a number of people, this is where you'll want to go. If I just click done there, I can easily see right now I can quickly airdrop it to Shanna's Mac. I can then text it to all these other people. I can send it by email, WhatsApp, all these other options are there. But I can click on Shanna's Mac, and it's going to just take a second, and then it will quickly send through, and now it is sitting on the file, or on the downloads folder on my Mac. So airdrop, and then you select which people you want to send it to. It's going to show up on their device immediately, and then they have the ability to either accept or decline whatever you're sending to them. And they will have all the information, all the metadata, a full resolution photo, everything that is sitting, all the information that is sitting with the photo on your phone will now end up on their phone. So it's that easy. Once you've used Airdrop once or twice, you're going to love it. It's quick, it's efficient, it's safe, it's secure. You receive all the information that you need with your photos and videos, or you send all the information you need to send with your photos and videos. It's a great way to share. Try it out and let me know in the comments if you use it, and if you do use it, how you like it.